Hi, this is Vandana here. If you're marketing any product or service online and you want to grow your business, what you really need to do right from the beginning is to start building an email list. And the sooner you start, the better it is. You may have also heard the saying that the money is in the list, and it is really very true. Building an email list is crucial because it's the best way to build a relationship with a potential customer in an intimate way. You're not just a status update that's here and gone. You're right in somebody's inbox where they receive other important communication from their work, family, and friends. If you need to get more leads and sales for any business, whether it is an offline business or an online business, you need to start creating an email list now. Many bloggers and business owners don't realize the importance of building an email list when they're first starting out. However, most people usually change their mind when they see the impact email lists can have on somebody else's traffic and revenue. Let's understand what really is an email list. An email list is a special list of names and email addresses of people who gave you permission to send them updates and promotions from your business. You can build your email list inside an email marketing software, and you can sell bulk notifications to everyone regarding your blog updates, online store, your products, your services on a regular basis. Now, building an email list is really important. Now, according to the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing on an average sees a 4,300% return on investment or ROI for businesses in the USA. Because email subscribers join your email list from a website or squeeze page and verify the identity by clicking on a link, they are extremely interested in what you have to offer. This is why they are more likely to convert into paying customers. Email list gets 10 times higher conversions than social media campaigns. This makes sense if you think about the reasons that make email an incredibly powerful communication channel. Now, here are the top 7 reasons for building an email list. Reason number 1, email is personal. Email allows you to land into a user's inbox. There is no ranking system limiting your reach. It is very direct and it is very personal. Reason number 2, email is purposeful. To get updates from you, a user fills out a form to sign up for your email list and confirms the email address. Somebody doing this much work is obviously interested in hearing from you, and they are much more receptive to your message. Reason number 3, email is targeted. As I mentioned earlier, the user has already shown interest in your product or content. Since you already know what they like, you can deliver them highly relevant offers to get better results. Reason number 4, you own your email list. You do not own Facebook, you do not own Twitter, and you do not own Google. Your social media campaigns and SEO efforts can go to waste when these platforms change their policies. On the other hand, you own your email list, and it is not influenced by the decisions of other businesses. Reason number 5, email is one-on-one. People read email in the privacy of the inbox. The message is not on a public timeline or newsfeed. They can ask you questions directly in private with confidence. This helps to build trust and connection. Reason number 6, more people use emails several times a day. You may have heard that Facebook has 1.4 billion and Twitter has 100 million daily active users. What you may not have heard is the number of people using email every day. There are so many people across the world who use email every day. Reason number 7, most internet users have an email account. Every internet user has at least one email account. A recent research conducted found that there are 4.5 billion active email accounts. That's half the population of the earth. Here are some recent statistics. There are over 4 billion email users worldwide. Over 3 million emails are sent every second. There are over 7 billion email accounts. 95% of consumers check email every day. Nearly 60% of email users check their spam folders also daily. This is precisely why every smart business in the world has an email list. Big name brands learned this lesson a long time ago, and that's why they spend thousands of dollars on social media campaigns to get people to sign up for the email list. They understand that email marketing is the best long-term investment with a much higher return because people will continue to get the message at a very low cost for a longer period of time. So if you start building your list today, you can keep adding on to your list and generate a large number of prospects for whatever businesses you have or you may have later on. Many expert marketers say that the biggest mistake was not building an email list when they first started out. With all the reasons above, I hope that you're convinced that building an email list is important for all businesses. So start building that email list today. Bye for now. Vandana Nanda signing off, and have a great day.